we can make a beat using a real guitar. I'm gonna use I usually don't use a metronome, but I'm gonna make some hi-hats, and in this case it's gonna be a drill beat. And I'm gonna try and make 5 different guitar parts. I'm gonna use guitar rig 6, and let's see what we can do. Okay, so I kinda messed up because I wasn't recording when I was making this. So anyways, I'm gonna walk you through what I did. This is our guitar takes, and I chose those two for the intro. And I also made a guitar fill that sounds like this. And for the hook, I choose those two takes. Anyways, and for the verse to be different, so for my drums, they're still on impact, as you can see. They sound like this. And also I forgot, for the intro I've made this pattern. It's just perks emulating the hi-hats. And when the hook comes in, we have the normal hi-hats. So yeah, that's basically it. It's as simple as it looks. You just need to make as many guitar layers as possible so that you can choose. That also applies if you make midi guitar. So this was a short one because the recording failed, but I'm gonna make up next time, and hope it was helpful, and I'm gonna see you soon.
It's love.